Conversation with a new friend in English. Hello, my name is Emma. What's your name?
Hello, Emma. My name is William. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, William. When did you move here?
I moved here about a month ago. Since I'm new to the city, I'm still exploring many places. Have you been living here?
Yes, that's right. I was born and raised in this city. If you want to explore together or need any recommendations, I'd be happy to help.
Thank you very much, Emma. I appreciate that. I think you're really kind.
Thank you for your kind words, William. You are also a very pleasant person. Being in a new city can be challenging sometimes, but you will get used to it over time. What do you like?
I enjoy sports, especially playing football. Do you like listening to music or watching movies together?
Yes, definitely. I enjoy both listening to music and watching movies. Do you have any movie recommendations?
Maybe we can watch a movie this weekend. What genre do you prefer?
I usually prefer romantic comedies, but I'm open to any genre. What is your preference?
I like action movies. Maybe we can meet halfway and watch a romantic comedy action movie?
That sounds like a great idea. Can I find out if you are available this weekend?
Of course. If it's convenient for you, how about Saturday evening?
I'm available on Saturday evening. Where should we meet and which movie do you want to watch?
Let's meet at Meet Point Cinemas. We haven't picked a movie yet, but we can consider a few options. What do you think?
Okay, let's meet there and choose the movie together. Just let me know. I'm excited. I feel lucky to have made a new friend.
I feel the same way, Emma. It looks like an exciting weekend is waiting for us.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.